Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have a raised to power a raised to power 2 is equal to 2, and here but also for the value of a. So now to solve this solution, so we have a raised to power a raised to power 2 is equal to 2. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to square the both sides of the equation. So this becomes in brackets a raised to power a raised to power 2 or raised to power 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 2. Now with this, we're going to apply this rule of indices that if you have a raised to power b or raised to power c, this is equal to bracket a raised to power c or raised to power b. So applying this rule right here, but notice something in these powers. The power of b right here is inside the bracket, while power of c is outside the bracket. But here, the power of c is inside the bracket and power of b is outside the bracket. So right here, we are going to say that a raised to power 2, this one, let's call it power b. And then power 2 right here, let's call it power c. Shows that if we are to make this to resemble this format, C, power C will come inside and then power B will go outside. Shows that this then becomes, we have it as in brackets, we have base A, then power C, which is 2, goes inside. This becomes raised to power 2, close bracket, power B, which is A raised to power 2, goes outside. We have A raised to power 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 2. So from here, now looking at this, the base, which is a raised to power 2, is equal to the exponent, right? Same thing here also, the base is equal to the exponent. So in such a scenario like this, we can simply compare the powers, okay? Shows that a raised to power 2 is equal to 2. Now from here, the next thing for us to do is to remove this square from here, and to do so, multiply the both sides with power 1 over 2. So in brackets, a raised to power 2 or raised to power 1 over 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 2. Then applying this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power b or raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this rule right here, power 2 multiplies 1 over 2. We have a 2 times 1 is 2 over 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 2. Now from here, we have a 2 we divide 2, we have power of 1 is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 2. Now at this junction, applying this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power 1 over n, this equals the nth root of a. So applying this rule right here, this then becomes a raised to power 1 is a, which equals, this becomes the square root of 2. So with this, we have gotten the value of a, which equals square root of 2. But then, by the way, let us confirm. Let's verify if the value of a is the correct solution. So let us check. So we got the value of a to equal root 2. And the question is a raised to power a raised to power 2 is equal to 2. So inputting the value of a as root 2 into this right here, this then becomes a. And by the way, we can express this a as 2 raised to power 1 over 2. So we can bring in 2 raised to power 1 over 2 to replace a. So this then becomes, in brackets, a is 2 raised to power 1 over 2. Then raised to power a is 2 raised to power 1 over 2. Then all of this is raised to power 2. With this equal to question mark. So with this, we are going to apply this rule of indices, that if you have in brackets a raised to power b or raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. So this means that power 1 over 2 will multiply 2. So this becomes, we have 2 raised to power 1 over 2 as the base, then raised to power 2. Then this 2 here, we cancel this 2, we have 2 raised to power 1, and 2 raised to power 1 is same thing as 2, with this equal to question mark. So from here, Applying this same rule here also, the power right here 1 over 2 multiply 2. So we have it as, we have 2 raised to power 1 times 2 is 2 over 2, which is equal to question mark. And from here, we have 2 raised to power 2, we divide 2, we have 1, which is equal to question mark. 2 raised to power 1 is 2, which equals 2. So looking at this, what we have on the left hand side equals the right hand side value. So this means that the value of a that we got as root 2 or 2 raised to the power 1 over 2 is the correct solution for the value of a. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.